Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the lag on Roblox so you can play without any slowing or lagging. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top corner right here and click on the settings of Roblox like this, and you will find some options right here. Click on settings, and now all what you have to do is just copy my settings as you can see, and make sure to have the graphics mode on manual and the graphics quality as lower as possible, and then make sure to copy the performance states and the micro profiler and the camera inverted. All those make sure to have them off. And now congratulations, your Roblox is gonna be more faster. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.